trees just running through the grass. I'm in my element. We are in our element. That one. Whew. I'm always stopping to take pictures, so most of the times I fall a little bit behind, so I'm stopping to take pictures. This view. Oh, you hiked all the way from down there somewhere. You parked somewhere. Somewhere over yonder. You're parked somewhere over yonder there. Mr. P exploring. Check to see if there's a name on that bench. I thought I saw somewhere on the website about some bench. Is there a name on it? Huh? The name. Oh, okay. Okay. Should have you take a look at when the wind comes through and it's just going through the, moving through the grass. Like, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at it. You get to see normal tourists. Yeah, we might stop by the normal tourist destinations, but we usually are off the beaten path. We like to be in nature, exploring, breathing in the clean air, taking in the trees and the plants and the flowers and listening to the birds and the wildlife and